Hi guys, today we have this radio and this is a Ford Focus 2004. I believe this is the original radio, hasn't been changed ever, and we took this car to the garage, and for some reason after we received the car it was not working. The garage says that they didn't do anything, but they didn't take any responsibilities, but I guess it was just fate that it just broke while it was there. So there is no point for us to, I guess, leave this radio as it is. So we need to change it. We have already checked everything and the cars got powered, but unfortunately the screen is not coming on. So it would be a nightmare just to open this radio and then just try to fix it. And so the easiest way I think would be just to replace it. So we already bought a new one. It's in that box, and now we are going to proceed to install it. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is the radio that we got from eBay. It looks alright. It looks around the same thing as the one that, I mean, in terms of, I guess, care, it looks about the same. It's a little bit dirty, but we can clean it and make it good. So yeah, I'm going to proceed to remove the radio from the dashboard and then install this one and see how it goes.
How do you do okay? Is that okay? Is that it? No.
I think it's 2837.
How do you do okay?
2837.
2837.
Yeah. 2837. I think
Okay, that's it.
Doing so for
okay, this is it. It's working now.
Struggling even to join.
All good.